Why do tumors suck?
Tumors suck because they hurt the people we love, and like they're so unnecessary. Like, I don't need tumors. Do you need tumors, you know? We don't need tumors.
No, we don't need tumors.
Yeah, I personally have a lot of like family history with tumors and cancer and a lot of things like that, and no, they're never a good thing. So I think tumors suck a lot.
Yeah, tumors, like, they come out of nowhere. Like, my dad's partner, we thought he had a cold for like a year, and it turned out it was a tumor, and by the time we found out, it was like too late. So they come out of nowhere, it's like a big surprise, it changes everyone's life, even people you work with. So yeah, they suck.
So why does FASA rock?
FASA rocks because FASA is our family away from home. I know it's my family away from home. It's our support system. You know, if anyone's ever going through anything, you know that we have each other's backs.
I know.
Like even if, you know, like our families or our loved ones, you know, go through things like getting sick or, you know, anything like that, we know that FASA will
FASA rocks because we need a break from school. Definitely. And also because I always need to dance with you. But yeah, that's one of the main reasons FASA rocks.